everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. Did you get a chance to check out our recipe from last week where we made double chocolate chip cookies? If you missed it, of course, you can check it out right here. Now, spring is just upon us and Easter is around the corner, and I have the perfect dessert for you, a banana pudding cake trifle. This will be made in a few parts. Part 1 is to make the cake, Part 2 is the filling, and then Part 3 is the topping. Now, to make our cake, you will need the following ingredients: 1 box of banana flavored cake mix, 1 cup of whole milk, 4 large eggs, and half a cup of vegetable oil. First step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, you're going to combine your cake mix, your milk, your eggs, and your vegetable oil. Whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. Next, you're going to line 2 8-inch round cake pans with some parchment paper. Evenly divide your cake batter between the 2 pans. Once your oven has preheated, you're going to bake your cakes in the oven for about 25 to 35 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center has come out clean. Once your cakes are done, allow them to cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, then remove them from the pan and cool them completely down on some wire racks. While your cakes are cooling, you're going to make the filling with the following ingredients: 1 3.4 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding, 1 cup of whole milk, and 2 to 3 ripe bananas thinly sliced. In a medium bowl, you're going to combine your pudding mix and your milk. Whisk together until nice and smooth, then set it aside. Lastly, we're going to make our topping with the following ingredients: 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of pre-made cream cheese frosting, and some Nilla wafer cookies for decorating. Pour your heavy whipping cream into a medium bowl. Use an electric hand mixer to whip until stiff peaks form. Add in your cream cheese frosting, and again you're going to whip until it's well combined. Last, it's finally time to layer our banana pudding cake trifle. To the bottom of a trifle dish, add half of your vanilla pudding. Evenly spread it around, then add your sliced bananas. Next, add 1 of your cakes, then top with the remaining vanilla pudding. Again, you're going to use a spatula or a spoon to evenly spread it around. Add more sliced bananas and then top with your second cake. Last, you're going to add your whipping cream topping. You're going to spread it around the top, and then you're going to add your Nilla wafers as you'd like to decorate. And with that, my banana pudding cake trifle is done. I use Organic Valley dairy products in this recipe, both whole milk and heavy whipping cream, and they are just perfect. The quality is unmatched, and they really add such a nice richness to not only the cake, but also our sweetened whipped cream topping that's here at the top of our trifle. And really the layers here that the cake has, we've got our pudding on the bottom, a layer of banana, a layer of the cake, repeated all the way up at the top, and then finished with those crunchy, sweet Nilla wafers. This is such a great dessert, like I said earlier, to make for your Easter brunch or your Easter dinner. Really any excuse to make this during the springtime. It's just such a light flavor. And then of course, the banana and the pudding, it's just so classic. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our banana pudding cake trifle. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other great recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.